July 4th. Woo! Got a flag on my hat to celebrate July 4th. We're heading down about a half an hour down the road from Yogi In The Smokies, going down to the Dillsboro River Company. Their claim is that it's mom approved. We'll know that shortly, right, Mom?
Hopefully.
Sophie was very concerned. She wanted to make sure we were not going down the river without a guide.
Did you get a guide?
As we were leaving the campground just now, Chloe also confirmed, is there a guide going? Is he in the boat with us the whole time? So then we had to confirm that yes, he's going to stay in the boat. We don't think he's going to jump out or fall out or anything. Yesterday, on our ride on the Great Smoky Mountains Railroad, we were next to a river the whole time, the Nantahala River, and so we saw rafters and kayakers, canoers, tubers. We saw lots of river fun happening yesterday, so we've gotten excited for today.
My gauge for how, I don't know, big the rapids was from the train. If we waved at the people in the raft, whether or not they waved back helped me gauge, because some of them were white knuckling their paddles to make sure that they stayed safe.
And then just now, back at Yogi In The Smokies, Sophie and I went playing in the water while we waited for the laundry.
The laundry, yeah.
Yeah.
What was it you guys washed?
We washed some towels.
Right, got it. Okay.
Yeah. We also ventured down into the creek, Sophie and I did, and today's water was quite cold. Was it cold, Sophie?
Yeah.
We're expecting that if or when we fall in the water here in a little bit, it's going to be pretty cold.
I'm on the river. I'm on the river. I'm on the river. All right, friends, let's practice a little bit here on the still water. Have you all seen the movie The Fugitive?
Yeah.
So right to our right, the scene where Harrison Ford and the convicts escape.
Yes.
It's actually on the right side of the river.
That's the bus.
Yeah, it's the van explosion. Yeah, and that's the
Department of Corrections. Yeah.
Corrections.
There's a couple of them. That is really neat. So there's after they filmed, they just left it there as a sightseeing type of thing.
Yeah, but now
That's
it's
cool.
private property. They don't like people going over there.
Ah.
It's kind of a bummer.
How do you know that? Sophie, what'd you think about that big one?
It was fun.
What made it fun?
It was big.
Got splashed big time, didn't we?
All right, I'm gonna
We got a man down! We got a man down!
You need us to help you in?
I'm good.
Okay.
I'll ride it to the...
This was on purpose. This will get us to the rock.
You okay?
Oh, yeah.
Nate, why are you in the water?
It's a long story.
It's a long story. It's complicated.
Nate, do I understand that the reason you got in the water was so that we would feel comfortable getting in the water?
Right, yeah. You know, and I could guide y'all through the water. It wasn't because I hit the rock too hard and wasn't tucking my feet in, but...
That's a guide who's willing to sacrifice. Do you want to jump again?
Yeah.
All right.
There's Nate. Hey, Nate.
Go!
Did you just call me Scott? What'd you just do?
I jumped off of a rock into 30-foot water.
It was super fun.
I found flowers and cheered for my family.
All right, we just got back from Whitewater Rafting. Craziness with the weather all of a sudden. Thankfully, we got off the river. What did you think of your first whitewater rafting adventure?
It was awesome. I like jumping off of the 9-foot rock into the 30-foot water.
It was fun.
These people at Dillsboro River Company are like the nicest people in the world. She went and found towels for us to use to dry off so that we don't have to wear wet clothes back home.
That was nice.
I love this place. Do a post-paddle recap.
Yes, yes.
Nate, I noticed you're all wet.
Yeah.
Is that from the... Where did you get that water?
So, well, we were running moonshot. It was going quite well, and then I saw these people, and I was like, "Yo, throw rope time, baby!" And then we surfed the rapid, and I went swimming. And now it's pouring.
Okay, so we could have blamed it on the pouring rain.
Yes.
But you chose to just man up and take it for what it is.
Man up. So, you know what? When stuff happens, you get good, cool stories out of it. So.
Dillsboro River Company. What do we say about this?
Good.
They say they're mom approved. Mom, would you agree that they're
Absolutely,
mom?
yes.
Yeah. We got to meet the owner, Mary. They had been guide for a while, and their friends had owned this company and done a great job with it, and then offered them the opportunity to buy it from them, and they did. And I got to say, they do a fantastic job. We really enjoy going down the river. We felt safe as a family, and not once did anybody fall in. None of us, right, none of us fell in. All the power's out, all the stoplights are out. This is the first time in my life I've ever been somewhere where the power's out at the stoplights and the craziest thing happens. We know it's supposed to be a 4-way stop, but you know there's always some knucklehead that doesn't know what to do. Here in Sylva, North Carolina, if you ever want an experience, come to Sylva when the power's out and watch everybody successfully maneuver a 4-way stop. We're on a quest to get butter. We recently learned a lesson on this last stop about places in the mountains.
In 1,000 feet.
You see a little refrigerator that you think, oh, maybe that's where they keep the cold things. It is stuff that they need to keep cold, but you go up to it, you go, oh, look, they might have butter in it. Oh, nope, not that. That's live bait. I don't need live bait. I just need butter.
Turn right on US 19.
Live bait in the fridge, not butter. we were enjoying a campfire and having some s'mores, and we got a tip there's going to be fireworks right down the road for July 4th. So we're going to pack up our chairs and head down the road and enjoy some fireworks. We got sidetracked along the way because we needed to find a potty. So we've ended up not really with the best view, but we're still having a blast, and it's still July 4th. We got some cool glow stick things, and we're still having a great time. We're leaving Yogi in the Smokies. We had a great experience. Beautiful place up in the mountains, streams, a lot of fishing, a lot of people fishing. We finally got to use our hammocks. Girls were excited to use their hammocks.
Super fun.
But then we have to take them down.
Had to take them down because we had to leave. We got to enjoy some 4th of July fireworks. We got to Whitewater Raft. We got to ride the Great Smoky Mountains Railroad. All kinds of cool stuff.
I really liked the location of this particular campground, right on a river or creek. When you take a walk, you get some really good sights as you go.
People are just really nice up here in this area. From trying to take an RV down an ATV trail and having a nice guy come give us directions to get out, to when the power was out in the tiny mountain town and everybody actually knows to do a 4-way stop at all the intersections.
Remember our neighbors when they gave us homemade ice cream and cupcakes?
That was good.